Oh, hello. It's Naomi, and this is Naomi's solo jazz routine for our special December session at Uptown Swing. We had all sorts of great dancers from all levels come, so I'm going to show it twice. First time, slowly with the counts, so you can follow along at home. And just remember, with YouTube, you can always click that gear icon and slow things down if you want to go even slower than this. So we started 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We can twist that into a Susie Q too. And 5, 6, 7, 8. We went 1, a 3, a 5, a 6, a 7, 8. Boom, ba, boom, ba, and hey. Stomp off, fall off the log. Off the log, kickball change, half break, then we switch, fall off the log. You can twist that kickball change, boom, boom, ba, ba, da. And the next thing we do is going to be a Shorty George, and I said I'd do a little preview so you could practice this. It goes 8 and 1, 2, 3. So we get to the left side on 1, and the wiggle comes from our knees pointing the direction that my weight is on. So watch me do a Shorty George real slow so that everybody who's brand new to it, you can practice this in the week in between. 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, right, left, right, left, right, left. That's your extra bonus. I'm going to show it with the music so you can hear to the phrase and practice along with me. This song's called Mellow Bit of Rhythm by Andy Kirk and his orchestra. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. This is Sky's part. That's it.